Welcome back to DIY It or Buy It. Today we're making some Halloween decor out of a Tide Pod container. All you'll need is a Tide Pod container, white, orange, and black paint, a thick paintbrush, and a thin paintbrush. Start by painting the wide side of the Tide Pod container orange. Once the orange side is dry, flip it over and paint the other side white. This is optional, but you can also paint the rest of the Tide Pod container black if you wish. I personally had to do 3 coats of each. It's time to paint your skeleton and your pumpkin face. If you don't want to freehand it, find a design you like on the internet and print it out on a regular piece of paper. Then place the paper upside down on the Tide Pod container and trace out the outline. Once you've painted the skeleton face and have let it dry, flip it over to the other side and create a pumpkin face. Sides are dry, it's time to dress them. They look super cute with a regular beanie, but in my opinion, even better with a scarf. I love this project. It's super easy, super fun, and it's free if you already have some supplies. I give it a 10 out of 10.